Alright, so basically here is the problem. My car won't start. It started this like 4 days ago or something. I went to go start it up and it would just keep cranking and cranking and not turn over. And the security light's not blinking, so it's not the theft system thinking it's being stolen. It's something fuel related, or it's not getting a spark. So that sucks. So basically without a car. Thankfully though, I work not too far away from work, so I just ride my bike to work. And as you can tell by the beginning of my video, I was just out on a bike ride. Which is why I'm wearing what I'm wearing and I'm gross. Yeah, I just went around 40 miles or so around the city on the bike. So I'm pretty darn pooped. I mean, my arms are like a glaze of sweat right now because it's like 90 degrees out and it's super sunny out and it's hot. But I need to get downtown to ship something that someone decided to buy on eBay from me last night, and then they decided to pay while I was out on a bike ride. So that stinks, because I also could have done it earlier when I was in my roommate's car. Basically, I sold these bike shorts. These nice Canary bike shorts. I just didn't use them that much, and they aren't like my favorite bike shorts. Like, I paid a fair amount for them, and I prefer to use like cheaper ones. Oh why? They're just more comfy for some reason. Although I do like some of the Bond Treasure ones, but those are really expensive. But I keep those ones for like long rides with friends and stuff. Anywho, long story short, I sold that and I need to go to ship it now. And I don't really want to go for another bike ride again, so now I have to rely on public transit. And that is my journey today, boys and girls. We're gonna see how good, or how bad, or good maybe, you never know, the public transit system is in, well, I'll say most American cities. A lot of bigger American cities have quite a bit of public transit options, like a bus, light rail, other things, subways, whatever. But however, my city, we just have a bus for the metro. So it's what it's called. It's called the Metro, and well, full name is the Madison Metro. It's just a bus network, which is actually, there's a bus stop right outside. I don't know if you can I zoom in? No, but there's like a bus stop right there. That's what that black figure is. It's a bus station, like a, you know, you stand underneath. It has a roof and a little light and shit. But there's one right outside there. But the other problem is I don't have a Metro card. And I don't have cash. It's $2, which is really cheap, but you have to have exact change and cash. And I have no cash. I only carry, you know, debit card, credit card, whatever, because it's easier to manage the money that way. But I need cash, and because I don't believe they take cards on the bus. And then the quarters I have is for laundry, so I'm not spending those. So what I think I'm gonna do, and we're gonna, you know, join me on my journey here, is I'm gonna take like an Uber or a Lyft down to my location, spend a little bit more, but get there a little faster, do my business, maybe go eat. I might go walk to eat somewhere, and then I'm gonna go to my bank and get some singles so I can ride the bus back. So we'll see how it goes here. Oh, there's Magetta. Magetta is here. Away we go.
Sorry, Brent, but the annual clearance event is happening now, and the people need their cars.
Okay. Can I just say, it's Toyota's annual clearance event, so hurry into a Toyota dealership for great deals on select 2016 Toyotas. Event ends September 6th. Toyota, let's go places.
Good old brat. Traffic. So we made it downtown. A really late lunch right now. Now I gotta go. Now I got my cash, So now I gotta go figure out the bus. I love this place. Delicious brats. Good, I like to watch traffic. Well, made her home. All that taking the bus. It worked out just fine. You know, it takes a little longer, but you know, I'll show you here. See if the car's still doing the same old deal here. Yep. I really just want to focus on the instrument cluster here. Let's turn the key. Something's fucked, boys. Oh well. But that was my experience using the metro system here, the metro. You can see the busy road. This is stop on the other side. Just got up and walked across. Somehow made it across that busy road pretty quickly. Yeah, wasn't that bad. Just takes longer, that's all.
Rest in peace, Top Gear.
It's back.
Well, the Amazon one.
You know, the Mamazon one.
The Amazon. So we tried many things.
Whenever I watch Mighty Car Mods, I get the immediate urge to go out and modify
Purchased a
my
new
car.
one of these.
Really? Yeah. Like, I'm like, I gotta go do something to my car.
Sensor there?
Something. And then I open the hood and I'm like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
She didn't work. Did some more testing. Didn't work.
What are you saying?
Howdy.
What are you saying? What?
No, I'm just doing a video.
You gotta make sure that you carefully make, you don't want to damage anything when you're tightening the bolts back up.
Yeah, no worries.
No worries at all. It's just a bracket for everybody who doesn't know. It's nothing critical.
Thank you for explaining.
You have
Sometimes.
a bigger, like, can you hand me that?
This?
Oh, extender.
No, the extender doesn't work with that.
Ah, shit.
My turn.
Have fun.
Tell us the story, Mom.
Your car's broken. It's really broken.
Good for buying a Pontiac. Actually, usually these are pretty reliable, but this one's just kind of a pile.
Sometimes it's a pile, but
You know what this just means? We just gotta.
This is the first major.
All this means is we just gotta LS swap this motherfucker.
Yeah, there you go.
You know, just put a
Big
LS
old V8 in there. V8 motor.
Hex, you know, just death wheel it out. You know, just put a tranny tunnel in there.
Put a V8 motor.
Get a V8 motor.
A V8 motor. It's got a 7-liter V8 motor.
This is how you have to fix her. You just go. Okay, it's fixed. It's working now.
Not enough torque.
Here we see the orangutan working on the Pontiac.
You've done it.
I've done her.
You fixed it. Congratulations.
You crank it. It should be good.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Hang on, wait. Okay, she should be good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. You own a Pontiac.
Yes.
Using a Volkswagen Power box fan. Keegan Keith, take note.
Yes.
Let's see if I give it a little.
No, it's probably not going to do anything.
No, the fan needs some serious oil.
Funny. All right, before you kill my car, turn it off. Or before you burn my car down.
They say my box fan's old.
What are you doing?
So that was my little bit of experience, about a week or so, over a week or so period of time trying to get around without a car and trying to fix my car. As you can see, nothing's worked so far. It is now, the last video in that before this was on a Sunday, and it is now Friday. So I've been gone a whole nother week without a car. I got around one day using my roommate's car when he wasn't using it, and then riding my bike. I haven't taken the bus since. I take that back. I did take the bus again to go deposit a check because it was pouring out and I really didn't want to ride my bike in the pouring rain without any, like, coat, which I didn't have. So I took the bus and then I took it back, and I had to pay because the bus kind of like loops back around, and I just waited to loop back around and then went back to work. Conveniently, there's bus stops next to work. My whole experience with the bus so far is it's actually pretty good. Like, it's not, the thing is it's not fast. And the main route that I ride is Route 6, and it comes by every half an hour, which is not enough. And then it takes a little while. That's not the biggest problem. It's just they need like faster routes, which they have some, but not the ones that I need. So the bus is good. Like, I haven't had any trouble with people or anything. Like, everyone usually minds their own business, is what I've noticed. So it's fine. It works good. I actually kind of enjoyed riding the bus. Like, it was kind of fun. But so far tomorrow, Saturday, I have my friend, the guy that was in the video beforehand, not in a purplish shirt, but I think he was in the greenish shirt. Actually, I can check now. Yes, he was wearing a green shirt. He is coming back tomorrow, along with his roommate and one of our other friends. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna try some things to get fixed. If not, I might actually have an idea for buying a new car. I'm looking at a Fiat 500 Abarth. Excuse me, Abarth, if I'm saying it properly. If I can't get this to work, so we'll see what happens. But I'll probably make a separate vlog on fixing the car if that goes through. But as for now, that's my experience. Car doesn't work. Getting around without a car is interesting, and public transit is kind of fun, but not super fast. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it wasn't that super exciting, but thanks for watching. Have a great night.